Hello, everyone. I want to invite you to draw gratitude with me for 7 days. Gratitude brings harmony and positive emotions to our life. We will draw for 7 days, one day, one topic. Now, what do we need to draw? In Neurographica, we don't use pens, pencils, or liners to draw near a line. We always use permanent markers, and one of them is not thinner than 1 millimeter. If you've got Sharpie, it would be great. And another one, a thick one, like this. We need both of them. So for coloring, we need highlighters. 3 or 4 will be enough if you don't have many, any colors, and pencils. Now, in Neurographica, drawing has no borders or boundaries, so we can use any size of paper. This is A5, half of A4. If we cut it, it will be A6, this one. I will use half of this 6, this small one. So we can spend about 20-30 minutes for our drawing. And now I want to show some basics for those who never draw Neurographica. So in Neurographica, we don't draw these sinusoid lines. We don't use these repetitive as well. And we don't use these lines. These are incorrect. Neurographic line does not repeat itself on any part of its movement. If we separate here, these parts will be the same. And this is neural line. It doesn't repeat itself on any part of its movement, and will lead it to where we do not expect to see it. So once more. If I separate this line into equal parts, each part will look unique and different, not as here. So every line carries a thought or a particular meaning. Intersections that have been created carry the conflict between those two thoughts. And we need to remove this conflict and get rid of the sharpness that it carries. We round off each side of this intersection and connect these two lines. Like this. Don't be afraid to make these lines thick. It's okay. So by doing this, we create a new neural connections, and our brain doesn't see any conflict anymore. I will show again. So we need a little bit resistance when we draw this line. If you feel that your marker goes up, just change its direction just a little bit. So we round off all the conflicts, all sharp angles. In our practice, in our gratitude, we will use circles as well. For example, it will be here. So, and we don't leave this circle like this. We need to make this circle bionic as well. So we draw near a line on the top of it. And round off again all the intersections like this. So I want you to practice near a line and practice rounding as well. And see you tomorrow.